Hi guys, we're here today in the shop and we're working on a RX 350 that we protected with Autozkin a couple of years back, about a year and a half or 2 years back. It's back in for some maintenance work. There's a scratch on the front grille that was self-inflicted by the driver of the vehicle. So I'd like to show you how the benefits of Autozkin Paint Protection Film will benefit your car. So please come inside. So this one is a self-inflicted accident. It was hit by something. So we're going to show you by removing the panel and showing you how you can save your car from replacing a panel by having paint protection film. So now that we've removed the PPF, you will see how miraculous and how wonderful this product is. So when choosing your PPF, you have to choose between many things. Normally you'd get marketing people telling you how bright and glossy their PPF is, how shiny it is, how it won't yellow, how beneficial it is in the beginning. But choosing the right PPF, for me, the importance is number 1, thickness, number 2, clarity, number 3, the adhesive, how easy it is to remove, and the benefits of having a Modesta coated vehicle as well is these adhesives that stick on the car, stick on the coating, not on the protective layer of the panel or the clear coat of the car. So this one will be easily removed in no time. So Mark, please show the audience how easy and how fast it is to remove the adhesive because the car is coated with Modesta coatings. So if you can see, less than 5 seconds, easy. And you see you have a brand new panel, once again, ready to be hit or ready to be done with a self-inflicted accident again, once it's protected with Autozkin PPF.